A little more due diligence on my part, and I've definitely confirmed the secondary winding location back to this point, and it appears the transformer's definitely open unless we've got a bad lead from the transformer itself. I'll go ahead and get it removed and we'll take a look at it here in just a minute. You can see I marked the leads, and the reason why, I want to make sure the polarity of the transformer is correct. And I got a couple short leads there, so I didn't want to trust my memory. You'll also notice the loudspeaker's been removed. I had to do that to be able to get to the fastener here for the IF can. So anyway, it worked out great just getting that out of the way. We've already tested it and looks good. I'll go ahead and make some additional measurements out of circuit and make sure they match up with my recorded results from earlier. Let me hook the meter back up on here and just double check myself and see what we read out of circuit, and just make 100% sure we're open on that secondary winding. As you can see, it's definitely reading open, so no mistakes there on troubleshooting. I was concerned about that though, the way everything was packed in there. Wiggle everything around here, see if we've got an intermittent connection inside the can. Alright, I'm not seeing anything happen there. Let me go ahead and pop the transformer out of the can. And you can see the retaining clips here on each side. So I should be able to just bring those in and pull the transformer out. I think we're getting close now. Alright. There we have it. Let me do a little cleaning here, then we'll poke around, see if we can find a cold solder joint or a broken wire here. What a mess. Here's what I'm betting on. I'll go ahead and heat these connections up here and double check, make sure that we're solid there. This end of the coil, you can see, was at this location, and if you look real close here, you can see where something's been chewing on it. So I think the little mouse or a family of mice decided to eat the coil. That's what I'm betting on. So I'll go ahead and heat these up, see if we make any difference at all, and then I'll see if I can unwind a few turns here. Maybe I can get lucky and actually make a repair, if indeed that's where the damage is, but that's what it appears to be at this point in time.